How to write a text on half of the face. Import your image into Photoshop. Using the ruler, place a line at the center of the image. Remove the background of your image and type in your text. Place the text above the image and position it how you want. Then duplicate the image and place it above the text. Clip the image above into the text. Then, using the marquee tool, make a selection of the area you want to show, and create a layer mask on the image below. You can change the color of the text as you please, and add a drop shadow to make it better.